Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can download the TalkTalk app on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is open your Play Store app and type in TalkTalk in its search bar. Once you type in TalkTalk, you can get the TalkTalk app on your device. So you need to simply press on the install button, and in a matter of seconds the app will get downloaded in your device. So once the app gets downloaded, it will start to get installed in your device. For the installation process, it will take some minutes to get the app completely installed in your device. Then it will redirect you to a security scan, and once it passes the security scan, the TalkTalk app will be downloaded in your Android device. So this is how you download the TalkTalk app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.